It's having a big impact on the markets and oil prices.
And when oil prices fall, Houston feels it, starting with oil companies. Tonight, West Texas Intermediate has already fallen to around $30 a barrel. That is the largest drop in decades. Channel 2 Sally Mamdou live with a story. Falling oil prices bad for the Houston economy, but other parts of the country like it because of lower gas prices. Sally?
That's right, Jonathan. To us consumers, this is actually good news because that means we don't have to pay as much at the gas pump. But for the local economy, it's a problem. Fears over the coronavirus are now making a notable dent in oil prices.
This is a historic price drop. We have not seen a price drop like this in decades.
Noah Brenner with Energy Intelligence Group in Houston says the price for the West Texas crude oil has dropped to a concerning level, and demand is expected to fall by as much as 1 million barrels a day.
The main U.S. oil benchmark is trading down a little less than 20%.
And University of Houston energy economist Ed Hers says it's due to the coronavirus impact on travel.
Delta has cut 10% of its flights. If we extrapolate that across all of the world's air travel, that's more than 500,000 barrels a day that we were buying yesterday that we're not going to buy tomorrow.
But that is just one layer of the problem. The recent fight over oil production between Russia and Saudi Arabia has caused Saudi Arabia to increase production, lowering prices significantly, which will soon begin to show up at the pump.
It's going to be a great summer to be a consumer and have cheap fuel prices to travel around the U.S.
That energy experts say low oil prices could mean trouble for our local economy.
Whether you're working in the oil and gas industry or working in something else, how much money circulates through Houston is dependent on the price of oil.
And low prices could impact oil industry jobs.
We've already seen announcements from Parsley as well as Diamondback. These are two very important Permian producers, and they've said, first thing this morning, said they were going to reduce activity levels.
And again, energy experts say that they could see prices jump back up around toward the end of the summer. We're live in Southwest Houston. Sally Mamdou, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
All right, Sally, thank you for that.